Hey there, YouTube friends. We had that hurricane blow through South Carolina, so we're going to be without power for a while. I'm going to try to cook what we have in the freezer so we don't let it go to waste, and we're going to do that on the grill. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I bought this little cheapo grill during COVID, and I think it's going to come in handy now. At about a half a bag of charcoal. So I'm just going to let that get good and hot, and then we're going to see if we could cook some frozen food on there. Alright, so let's see what I got in here. Let's make a chicken pot pie. We put everything in the freezer to try to keep it cold, but some of it's getting soft. So I'm going to cook up this chicken pot pie, and I'm just going to put it in a pan like that. It's getting a little soft. And then I'm going to put that on the barbecue and just let it cook for like 35 to 40 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to put the pan right over the flame like that. I'll get the lid, I'll cover it, and now we'll just let that cook for I guess half hour or so. We'll check in a little while. So look at how black it is out there. You can't see a thing. Except that was scarecrow. Fun in a blackout. Alright, so while the chicken pot pie is cooking, let me show you something cool that's good to have in a blackout. Now you can see this room is totally dark and we have no power. But if I turn my lamp on, we have light. And those are battery operated light bulbs that you can buy off of QVC. I'll put a link at the end of this video. You can check them out. And when you know the power is operational, it just recharges the battery. So we do have a little light, and that'll last probably a good couple hours, I guess. But we'll check on the chicken pot pie in a little bit. All right, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's see how the pot pie is doing. Oh, that's definitely cooked. All right, so we got some dinner. Let's go in and eat. Okay. That's good. So this is like a primitive dining, like from the 1800s or 1700s. There we go. Rita needs a coffee, so I put our pot on to boil. Gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so we got bacon and eggs on English muffins for breakfast. I'm going to show you another reason why it's good to have one of these jump starters, like this Everstart 800A that I did a video on before. We just had that hurricane here in South Carolina, so we lost all power. So our phones need a charge, so I'm just going to plug them into the jump starter. And once I got them plugged in, all I do is hit this USB button right here. And now you can see our phones just lit up, so we could charge the phones. So this is Greenwood, South Carolina. People trying to get gas.